Right now, I'll ask you, what's your future plan?
I wanna be a doctor.
You wanna be a doctor? MashaAllah, MashaAllah. May Allah accept you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Walaikum assalam.
Okay, I will ask you some questions in English and you will answer me. What's your name?
My name is Ari Jabbar.
MashaAllah, nice name. Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student at Madrasatul Qalam.
Okay, you are a student at Madrasatul Qalam. So, what class are you in?
I am in class 2.
How old are you right now?
I am 9 years old.
Okay, MashaAllah, great. So, can you speak English?
Yes, I can little bit.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah, great. What do you like?
I like to draw pictures.
Okay, nice job. Do you have any sister, brother?
Yes, I have a sister.
What do you love?
I love to play with my sister.
Okay, MashaAllah. So right now I'll ask you, what's your future plan?
I wanna be a doctor.
You wanna be a doctor? MashaAllah, MashaAllah. May Allah accept you. Right now I will ask you some Bengali translations and you will answer me in English. Got it?
Yes.
তাড়াতাড়ি করো,
Hurry up.
শান্ত হও,
Calm down.
নিচে যাও,
Go down.
লিখে নাও,
Write down.
কি অবস্থা,
What's up?
সময় শেষ।
Time's up.
Okay, MashaAllah, great job, Aris. Nice to meet you. Have a good day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Walaikum assalam.